How to move plants. Tips for moving with plants. 8 is well known. A houseplant is a living, breathing organism and requires special care. When moving, you may need to do a little more prep work to ensure your plants arrive safely. It is not a good idea to ship your plants in a moving truck because of the lack of airflow and inability to secure a big plant in a moving truck. What you may need to pack your plants. A moving box for each pot. Try to get that type of box, so the plant does not move around inside. Replace clay, ceramic pots with plastic ones during transit. Use packing paper, newspaper, or bubble wrap. Getting ready phase. Replant your friend into a plastic container. You can do this a few weeks before the move. Pack empty clay, ceramic pots the same way you pack your fragile items, using bubble wrap and place safely in a moving box. Water your plants 2 to 3 days before moving since the soil should be moist but not wet. Most plants can stay around a week without water. You can transport your plants in 2 ways: taking the whole plant or just cutting. But one way or another, make sure to pack your plants last and unpack them first. That golden rule will help your friend stay healthy. Potted plants. How do you pack that? Place a proper-sized plastic bag over the pot, then tie it at the base to keep the soil controlled. Use tape to tape the bottom of the box, so the package will not fold while carrying it. Now you can place the plant inside. Time to use packing paper or newspaper. Use those to fill in extra space to secure your plant. Make sure it can also breathe. Poke with a knife or scissors a few holes on each side of the box to let the airflow reach your plant. Labeling the box, fragile, or plant. The most secure way to move your plants is to transport them in the car with you. Taking plants with you usually lets you provide care during the trip. Keep your plants in the cabin of the car so the plant can breathe. Do not trap your plant in the dark trunk. TrekMovers wish you safe relocations to you and your potted friends. Are you planning to move? Get in touch with us to get a free quote and move safely.